Okay, so we got everybody all set with their IVs. So basically what we have here is antioxidants. Your entire B complex is in this IV infusion. That's good for neuronal health, anti-aging, Alzheimer's, gut health, and immune support. Also, you have your vitamin C, but the real clincher is going to be the glutathione that we add at the end. Okay, that's a real strong anti-aging medication. It's a scavenger basically for free radicals. And as you age, you make less of it, so your cells start to get depleted. So we want to give this to you. IV is really the only way to do this, and we recommend doing it about once a month. The final thing that's in here, and this is really for you, Steve, with this workout, we put some magnesium in here for muscle recovery. We live in a world now where we really do have a lot of anti-aging protocols that are really helpful, and you know, exercise is one of the best, right? You can't, you know, that's the best thing to do, and that'll beef up your mitochondria, keep you healthy for a long time.
And it's also important to have Dr. 𝕬𝕒𝕟 here with you, too, from Regenerous.
You guys are looking great. You're doing well.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. 𝕬𝕒𝕟. We appreciate you.
Yep.
See you in 30 minutes.
Okay.
Wake me up.
Easy, God, drive. Okay, good.
Are we still filming?
Yep.
Oh.